Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how we can make wheat patches spraying, only wheat patches, and the other crops you won't be spraying in the fields using RGB images, not multispectral. For the multispectral, you can do index number by index number and you can do the variable rate application, but here I will show you using the RGB map, just normal RGB map. But if you use a DJI Terra, you need to process in the fruit tree mode, not the feed mode. Okay, so now I have the fruit tree mode. Let's assume we have the wheat patches and we don't want to spray the crops. So the only trick here is you just have to okay, let's stop planning, application, agriculture. Okay, the only thing is you will see continuous spraying. Pick this. Okay, of course if you want to go there 1 tree by 1 tree, you can simply this spot spray. Now continuous spraying, and you can use a distant interval or tree ground center auto, whatever you like, it is fine. Okay, for the difference you may leave the additional requirements. If you need, I can explain it because I want to make it short video for now. So just pick distant interval, and most important thing here is modify result. So for the wheat patches spraying, we will use only others and fruit trees. Of course, if you have the obstacle, you can add the pole. Okay, now in my field, for example here, the others is non-spray area. So, and you can mark, for example, you can mark everything others. So that means these are the crops. So some trick. Okay, so these are the crops. Others mean the crops you won't spray. Of course, if you plant in field, other means spray. So be careful. Process in the fruit trees. So the fruit tree mean is spray. So fruit tree spray, that means I will find the wheat patches that to be spraying. Oh, this is too big. You can adjust based on the wheat patches size. Okay. So let's say this is the wheat patches. This is the wheat patches. And this is the wheat patches. This is the wheat patches. I'll just randomly, okay, for now. But for your project, you may pick the real wheat patches, okay? Because in the RGB, you can clearly see the wheat patches, right? Because this is just using the RGB images. Okay, then I can save. Then select the boundary. Okay, only for the wheat patches you have. And then you can generate. So as you see here, the drone will spray only the wheat patches areas. See the green line? See, the green line means the drone will spray only those area. Of course, there's a benefit is what is the this is 3D pad, so you can adjust the height. Because I have a tree. Oh, okay, so look good, right? So this is how we can spray only the wheat patches. So the benefit compared to other software is the drone will not fly all over the fields. It will fly only those wheat patches area and the connector route. So of course in the connector route, the white colors that means non-spray. So it just fly in first, and then it will reach to the weed patches and it will spray it. So this is how you can achieve. Of course, in this point, the fly route doesn't matter, okay? So then back to edit. So what if you want to, you go with the 3 crown, just for the example. Yeah. So if you say 3 crowns is automatically changed, it will connect it 1 3 crown to another. Now we have a lot. So you have to make editing. So this is a modification again. So this is a different scenario. If you go for the butchers, yes, this method is good. If you go for the weed patches, just do as I just taught you about distant interval auto. Okay, I hope this video helped you, and see you in the next video. If you still have some more question about Terra or smartphone work, leave the comment below. See you in the next video.